In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access printing. Then tap on your cloud print service. And last but not least, tap on gray switcher at the top if printing service is not already on. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!